Hey guys, today we're going to be playing another game on ABC called Snoring. Let's begin. It says the elephant trembling snores are deafening. That's me and I'll wake him up. Bonk. Oh, that's the end for the elephant. Yes. So now we're going to do the next level. Big wall lifter bust. We zebras are zombie. I know I have an idea. Oh, we got big. Award. I wonder what that's for. Just me to roll. That's again to stop. Okay. So it says we got this. Award owl. So we know pig. So it's also you get these things, okay. So you woke the elephant kissing the cow 2 times. Bump the giraffes that tip them over like bowling pins. That's what come up. Penguins penguins spin away when bust. Award giraffe. We got giraffe. That. Oh look, we almost got us 2 stars. Okay. Let's see. Oh, so that's how. Let's read because you only got 2 stars. Okay. So I think we got the owl award now. Yeah. So the next one is wake it up 2 times with penguin. It's a penguin. Oops, my bad. Yeah, totally do that. Okay, so now we know what to do. Okay. Okay. Let's try getting. Okay, so now that won't work. Okay. Yes. Penguin. Well, we got that done. Oh, no, that didn't work. You have to time it good. Yeah, I had see. Yeah, I had to. You have to like do a good timing. What? I don't have an idea. I don't know how you do that. No, so that don't. Okay. Now next level. Catapult. This is the one I always. It's always hard for me. Cause, come on. Cause you have to always get. Cause this one is very hard. Yes, I did it. Now let's see if I can. Because it's very hard to like get a good aim on that one. Oh, come on. What? Oh yeah, we're gonna have to redo that one. Yes, I know what to do. Wait. You have to like stop it. It's impossible. I mean not impossible, but like very hard. But this time we did it. Okay, finally. And there goes the elephant. Wow, level 16. How many more? 4 more. Genius. If we pass level 20, we get the award Genius. Huh? Ooh. Ooh, okay, so we got 48 stars. Oh, this is a lot. Okay, oops, sorry. Okay, let me think. How I can... So, if we can get this out... I know. We'll drop this. And then we're gonna do a jump here. And then this is gonna... Wait a sec. Okay, I know what to do. There. Oh look, and we had 255. We have to roll that. Maybe what? Oh, cool, man. Oh yes, and this one is practically impossible. Oh wait, no. Okay, I think I figured out the way. No, come on. This level is so tough. Oh, so that won't work. Okay, well, guys, that's the end of this episode. Well, guys, that's the end of this episode. We got the level. We passed 17 out of 24 levels. Well, guys, that's the end. Well, guys, that's the end of this episode. As always, I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, bye bye, guys.